Hello. Hello, February. February is here. Let's ask, what is in store for February? As time and space is unfolding, we've been in this 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 vibration, but here we are. It's February 1st, and we are seeking, asking through the quantum energy, the ether, and our higher selves in the universe. What is the guidance? What is the invitation? And here we have, I am beautiful. 37 is something. And 37 is also 7 blue, the 7 blue phenomenon. 37 is something. And you are something. I am that I am, the embodiment, but also the flow to you. This is an allowing. So there's an invitation in February to open, soften, and allow that flow to you. And it's interesting because flow, water, flow has been coming forward as we moved from January to February. Flow, water, flow. So inviting the flow to you. For many, it kind of feels like that boom, boom, boomerang, like the boomerang, all the energy that you've put out coming back to you. Oh, the Phoenix rising, 27, 2 plus 7, 9. We're in the 9 year. Fractal infinity, but it's also 9 cycles, the endings and the beginnings. So many of us have been feeling the endings, allowing the beginnings to flow to you. Also, it really is a rising up. There is this ascension, rising up occurring. It's not religious or new age. It's a rising up. And there we have the 12, completion. So 9 cycles as in beginning and ending, also fractal infinity. 12 is completion. But we can also feel this vibration through this 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. And we're going to have a lot of 3, 6, 9 days this year in 2025. So the eagle, flight, freedom, the bird's eye perspective going higher and lighter. So just inviting guidance and messages to stream in and through for February 2025. 13, Epiphany. So the 13 has been coming in a lot. And Epiphany, the light, the aha, the enlightenment. But 13, 1 plus 3, 4, foundation. Maybe it's a date for you. The 13, or the 1, the 3. Flow, water, flow. I've also been feeling the sun energy. The life force energy, the sun, this invitation to go out and fill up on that vitamin D and all the benefits of sun. 10, 15, 20 minutes a day in that morning sun before 10 o'clock in the morning is so beneficial. Sunrise, sunset. Ooh, blooming abundance. Yes. So the message of bloom and blooming has been coming forward as well. Allowing everything to bloom. That's also an opening, right? A bloom is opening. So opening to abundance. And it also goes with that 37, I am beautiful. Allowing the flow to you. Abundance of love, right? Abundance of support. Woo! Yes. the rising up, the change, the higher, going higher and lighter. And I love this flexibility. It feels like the light at the end of the tunnel, allowing that change to take you higher and lighter. The light at the end of the tunnel. But look at the momentum. The tiger, the horse, the hot air balloon. Yes, it's transcendence. So we are in this time of rising up, this ascension, but it's all about transcending, which is existing above it all. Whew. And I noticed that this one flew out, which is letting go. Yeah, you got to let go of the heaviness so that you can fly and transcend. Oh, there's a third one. There were 3. Look at those lily pads. Look at the light. Renewal. Allowing the renewal. It feels like February is allowing the renewal, allowing the flow, allowing the healing. That's perfect and right for you. Ecstasy. So ecstasy takes you higher through joy. Joy and awe into the ecstasy. The ecstasy for you. You're positive. You're wanted. You're joy. So just opening through the quantum energy, the ether, your higher self, as you open to the messages, the synchronicities, the guidance for you. This one, I think, really wanted to come out. Yes. Intention. Look at the water. Flow, water, flow. Flow, intentions, flow. The intention, the thought, what you want, drop down into your heart, and then trusting your gut instinct. Woo! Yes. Did you see that fly out? It's the Fool. The Fool is not foolish. The Fool is not careless. The Fool is free-spirited. Look at the water. Flow, water, flow. The zero point of what you want. The crystalline core of the earth. There's the rose, the growth, the love, and the sun again. Message from February, from February. What does February want us to know? Ooh, yin. There's that yin yang, right? The in and out. 10. That syncs with that 37. I am beautiful. The allowing. It's time to allow. It's time to allow. Allow your beauty. Allow your perfection. Allowing your thoughts to support your perfection. Sending you so much love.